A small 2015 Honda flipped the Cybertruck upside down in Temecula. The Tesla Cybertruck driver failed to stop and collided with the Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey has the right-of-way, as it advanced through the stop sign. Apparently there were 5-6 people in the crash, and some young kids, and all are okay, with minor injuries. The force of the collision caused the Cybertruck to roll over in a southeasterly direction into an open field, after crashing through a barbed wire fence. The Cybertruck ended up on its roof, while the Odyssey spun to a stop, to face north at the intersection of Benton Road and Washington Street. The Cybertruck approached the intersection at full speed, blowing the stop sign. The Tesla driver failed to see both the traffic sign and the traffic in a clear space on a clear day.